There's something important called the 92% rule. It means that about 92% of the things people do every day, like writing, researching, organizing, and planning, can now be done by AI. So only about 8% of work really needs a human. If you understand the 92% rule early, you'll have a huge advantage over everyone else. This is Steve Coleno, and this is Confidential Remarks. Most people use AI just to do their work faster. They use it to write things quicker or finish tasks sooner. But here's the problem. If AI can already do that work, then doing it faster doesn't make you special. According to the 92% rule, that kind of work is becoming less valuable. Here's the reality. AI can already do most daily tasks. So if you spend your time only doing those things, you're competing with something that is faster and doesn't get tired. The 92% rule shows that focusing only on basic tasks is a losing strategy. You need to focus on something more. There are two types of people. Doers, they just complete tasks. They focus on getting things done. Directors, they decide what should be done. They use tools like AI to do the work. Because of the 92% rule, being a doer is not enough anymore. You need to become a director. If 92% of work can be done by AI, what's left? The 8% that only humans are good at. This includes good judgment, creative thinking, understanding people. The 92% rule helps you realize that this 8% is where your real value is. AI can create tons of ideas in seconds, but not all of them are good. Your job is to choose the best one. The 92% rule tells us that generating options is easy now, but choosing the right one is still a human skill. AI is trained on the past. Humans think about the future. You come up with ideas and goals. Then you can use AI to test and improve them. Because of the 92% rule, your job is not just to do work, it's to decide what should happen next. AI can make a perfect plan, but it can't. Understand feelings, motivate people, build real connections. The 92% rule shows that emotional connection is part of the 8% only humans can do. If you want to use the 92% rule, start here. Track what you do every day. Look at each task. Find what matters most. Let AI help with the rest. This helps you focus on the 8% instead of the 92%. Break your day into small parts, like 15-30 minutes. Write down everything you do. Then ask, could AI do this? Or does this really need me? This is how you apply the 92% rule in real life. After tracking your time, you'll notice something. Most of what you do is part of the 92%. That means you should spend less time on those tasks. Spend more time on thinking, ideas, and people. That's how you use the 92% rule to your advantage. In the future, there will be two types of people. 1. People who do the same work faster with AI. 2. People who use AI to do better things. The people who understand the 92% rule will win. So start now, pick one small task you do every day, and let AI help you with it. That's your first step. This has been Confidential Remarks.